Hey, Error Genie here. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot packet burst issues in Call of Duty by adjusting a few settings to reduce CPU load and smooth out gameplay. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Adjust display mode and FPS. Cap open settings, then graphics, then display mode. Set your display to full screen exclusive for the best performance. Next, set an FPS cap that matches your monitor's refresh rate to prevent overloading the CPU, e.g., if your monitor is 60 Hz, cap FPS at 60. Apply the changes. Step 2. Lower quality settings. Still under graphics, head to quality. Set graphics options to low or minimum to free up resources for smoother performance. Apply your changes. Step 3. Adjust VRAM scale. Target VRAM settings that are too high can contribute to packet burst issues. Look for VRAM Scale Target under Graphics. Set it to around 50 to 60% instead of maxing it out. A moderate setting reduces the chance of CPU overload. Test different percentages, like 60% or 70%, to see what works best for your setup. Step 4. Close background applications. If other apps like Google Chrome or any background downloads are running, close them to reduce network strain. Reducing internet demand from other applications can prevent packet bursts. Step 5. Test gameplay. Launch a game to see if these changes help with packet burst issues. Adjust settings as needed to balance performance and graphics quality. And that's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more helpful fixes from Error Genie. Thanks for watching and game on.